The Venn diagram below shows tourist attractions visited by students in a certain week. So this is the Venn diagram showing all the information needed. So you have 3 tourist attractions: Victoria Falls, Mambillima Falls, and Gonya Falls. And you have this information. So the first question is, find the value of y. What is the value of y? If 7 students visited Mambillima Falls only. Now the key here is only. If 7 students visited Mambillima Falls only, then you know the principles of the sets, that the only students that visited Mambillima Falls without any other tourist attraction are here, 2y plus 1 students. So the total number of them is 7, because it says 7 students visited Mambillima Falls only. So that is quite easy to find the value of y, because these students, 2y plus 1, are actually 7 in total. So you can solve for y here. So this is going to be 2y is equal to, this is 7 minus 1. So 2y is going to be equal to 6. So over 2 over 2. And therefore, the value of y is going to be 3. So this is the value of y. Now, the next question is, how many students visited? So this is 2. So how many students visited Victoria Falls but not Gonya Falls? So how many students visited Victoria Falls but not Gonya Falls? So how do you deal with this particular problem? Well, notice that these students visited Gonya Falls. The only students that visited Victoria Falls and not Gonya Falls are 6 and 2. So this is quite simple. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 students. So this is our answer. Now, part B for this particular question is saying, so this is B, how many students visited 2 tourist attractions only? 2 tourist attractions only. So how many students visited 2 tourist attractions only? So how do you deal with this? Notice that according to the information given, the only students who visited 2 tourist attractions only are, notice that 4 for Gonya Falls and Victoria Falls, and 2 for Victoria Falls and Mambillima Falls, and also 1 for Mambillima Falls and Gonya Falls. 10 visited 3 tourist attractions, 8 only 1, 6 only 1, and here 2y plus 1 is just for 1 tourist attraction. So this means that the only students who visited 2 tourist attractions only are 4 plus 2 plus 1, which is equal to 7 students. And so this is our answer.